One day, I suddenly got a WhatsApp message from a client. He need a clean B-roll shoot for his product. At first, it sounded pretty simple, but the only way we could do it was by manually. Rotate the product, take a shot, rotate it again, and keep repeating the same thing again and again. And after a few minutes, it started getting really confusing. At this point, I was literally praying there must be some easier way to do this. And then something unexpected happened. Wow, suddenly this small device appeared in my hand. Are? I have no idea what it was and I was trying to figure it out. And wow, charger also appeared. So with this curiosity, I plugged it in. At this moment, everything changed. And then the platform started rotating smoothly and capturing a perfect 360-degree shot became super easy. And that's when I realized this simple device could solve a really big problem of millions of creators. Guys, wait. Before we continue, I want to share something with you guys. On 25th December, इसी स्पॉट पर मेरी और मेरी फ्रेंड का एक बाइक एक्सीडेंट हो गया था. तो आप देख रहे हो हमारा कंडीशन कुछ ऐसा था और हमारे बाइक भी बुरी तरह से डैमेज हो गया था. एंड थैंकफुली वी आर रिकवर्ड नाउ. फिर भी उस सिचुएशन में हमने काम करना बंद नहीं किया आप लोगों के लिए. तो सब्सक्राइब करना तो जरूर बनता है. तो किस बात का वेट कर रहे हो? जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब करो एंड लेट्स गेट बैक टू द वीडियो. One day, I was scrolling through Thingiverse and found this cool design. The original design was created by Bro12. So huge credit to the creator for this awesome design. Alright, for that, we need these 3D printed parts. And I am using my Ender 3 Pro for this printing. And you know guys, watching a print slowly is very much boring. And guys, I am starting with Arduino. And I hope you have already hit the like button. No gear, no spin. That's why I have printed this gear and placed in the body. You know guys, gear won't move alone. For that, we need a stepper motor. And I printed this small gear and installing it. Guys, if you need this 3D printing file, then comment print. To control this device, I need this joystick module. Next, we need LCD display for showing the information. Also, we need a 10K potentiometer to control the display contrast. And at last, we need a motor driver to control the stepper motor properly. Once all the components are ready, it's time to connect everything together. And guys, you know, wiring is actually pretty simple once you understand the circuit diagram. And if you want the full diagram, I'll share it in my description. But for that, you have to share it with your friends. Now I am printing the front cover of our device to give this project a cleaner look. Otherwise, it will ruin the entire vibe of this project. So before starting the programming part, make sure hit the subscribe button. Now comes to the coding part. This allows us to control the platform exactly the way we want, and I will provide it in description. And finally, our Arduino powered automatic turntable is ready. And this device actually has a multiple rotation mode and you can control it using joystick. In the first mode, you can select number of photos you want to capture. As soon as the program starts, the motor begins rotating. And guys, you can see the gear starts moving. And also, the platform starts moving smoothly and consistently. Now, instead of rotating the product manually, like earlier, we can just place the item on the platform and let the device do the work. Now, the content creator and the videographers like you can capture a perfect 360-degree shots like this. And honestly, it is super satisfying to watch. So what do you guys think about this Arduino turntable? Let me know in the comment section. And if you guys enjoyed this project, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more DIY content like this. And stay tuned until the next project.